Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate ko Beshis, kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Scorpio at mga bago po nating viewers. Maraming pong salamat at andito kayo ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ano yung message o enerhiya na mababasa natin para kay Scorpio. We have the Knight of Cups. We have the Two of Wands. The Knight of Swords. The Six of Swords. And the Hangman. Bottom is the Justice. Okay, Scorpio. In Justice card, this is an energy coming from a Libra. I think you wanted balance, no? You wanted something na talagang equal, balance. This could also mean that you might be dealing with your person na either asawa mo na siya, no? Kasi justice might mean you're already married to this person, or you're planning to get married. Or this could be something to do with a contract. No, it could be work or business. Now, definitely, it has something to do, yung sinasabi kong balance dito, has something to do with your lover. No, with the person that you are thinking about or involved with. And this is an energy coming from a Gemini. So you're trying to make that decision, no? You're trying to make that decision pagdating dito sa equal give and take. You think you wanted something na balance. Sabi ko, di ba, I mentioned that you wanted something that is balance. Maging balance yung relationship nyo. Yung patas kayong nagbibigay at tumatanggap sa isa't isa. Okay? Kung ano yung binibigay mo, yun din ang natatanggap mo. Which is fair and right. Now, may nag-offer sa'yo ng love with the Knight of Cups. No? Somebody offered, or yung person mo offered this message of love to you. Offer na sasabi na, yeah, I like you. I am falling for you. I have this feeling. And you are trying to make that decision. Iniisip mo mabuti. Ano na ba? Sasagutin ko na ba to? Mahal ko na ba to? Is this the person for me? Kasi itong person medyo, sabihin natin nagmamadali. With the Knight of Swords. Nagmamadali siya to get your response, to get your answer. Nagmamadali siya na maging kayong dalawa na. Maging kayo na, magkaroon na kayo ng relationship, in other words. Kasi, kung ba sa totoo lang, yung person mo is also nahihirapan, no? Gusto niya na maging smooth sailing na yung relationship niyo. Kasi, hindi naman talaga madali na, alam mo yung sa araw-araw na hindi mo alam kung mahal ka rin ba ng tao na mahal mo? Ano na ba sasabihin na sa'yo? Sasagot na sa'yo? You're just hoping that your person would feel the same sa nararamdaman mo sa kanya. But somehow things are still not moving at all. Walang paggalaw. With the Hangman, this is an energy coming from a Pisces. As if parang yung person mo is still trying to, or you are trying to see Scorpio, you're trying to see a different perspective, no? You're trying to see na baka meron pa akong hindi naiintindihan o nalalaman. Maybe that's what I need to be able to make this decision. Okay? Kasi feeling ko ba parang meron pa akong dapat alamin. We have the Magician, the Ace of Cups, Judgment, the King of Swords, and the High Priestess. Bottom is the Two of Cups. Scorpio, alam mo, this person, the person that you are thinking about is the one for you. Alam mo siya na. Alam mo siya yung soulmate mo. Wala nang iba pa. There is no doubt in your mind na talagang ito na, nakita mo na, nahanap mo na. And dahil nga yung malakas na feeling mo towards this person, that's why with the Four of Wands, ito na yung plano. You are planning for the future. You are planning na eventually you'll receive a proposal or you will make that proposal. Take it as it resonates, Scorpio. Kasi meron silang comment sa akin, no, from other signs or other zodiac signs. As hindi nila maintindihan bakit kung sinasabi na gano'n, kung sila yung babae, ba't daw sila yung maliligaw? You know, in tarot kasi, gender is not important. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, he or she, or take it as it resonates. Kasi kung ano yung sitwasyon nyo. Kasi this could also mean for same-sex relationship. Lalaki kayo pareho o mapababae kayo pareho, it doesn't matter. O babae at lalaki kayo, no, it doesn't matter. Ang binabasa natin dito ay yung energy nitong mga cards. Kung paano namin sila binabasa. That's how you should be listening. Not seeing yourself na babae ako so ba't ako maliligaw? Okay, so it only means that yung reading is not for you. So don't take it. Huwag mong kunin. Dahil hindi yun para sa'yo. It might be from other people. Okay? So mabalik tayo dito. Kaya nga sasabi ko, Four of Wands, it's either you, Scorpio, you'll be the one making that proposal, or somebody will give you that proposal. Okay? So, maliwanag yun. So, pinapakita ko na lalaki o babae. Okay? And that would change everything, Scorpio, with the Wheel of Fortune. Because of this preparation for the future, mababago lahat ng iyong kapalaran. You will receive total happiness with the Ten of Cups. Yeah? Ang ganda ng cards, oh. You know, you found the one. There will be a marriage in the future. And this will change yung life mo, yung buhay mo. And it will bring total happiness. Okay? That's why itong night na to, the person that is coming o nagbigay ng message of love sa'yo, again, take it as it resonates. Either you are the one who sent this message, Scorpio, ikaw yung lalaki o babae, or ikaw yung nakatanggap. Okay? So, take it as it resonates. Now, basta mayroong person na magsasabi doon sa isa na mahal kita, gusto kita, ito yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo. And that provide you, you manifested this. Kung gawa pinagdasal nyo to, winish nyo to, na meron nga sana dumating na offer ng love sa akin. O I would send that offer of love. O I would find that one, the one. Kaya nga, with this, I am trying to be mindful na sana nga, waiting in a way, waiting to make that decision na dumating na tong aking new love. And dadating siya because andito siya eh. Kahit sabihin natin, this new love will come in a speed na mabilis na hindi mo akalain. And that, you need to make a decision with judgment. This is an energy coming from a Sagittarius. Magician pala, by the way, is an energy coming from a Gemini or a Virgo. And the Knight of Cups is a water sign, either Cancer, Pisces, or another Scorpio like you. So, you need to make that decision para things will be calm, no? Maging matahimik, maayos, smooth sailing. And you just wanted everything to be straightforward, na talagang truth lang, totoo lang, no? Honest to goodness truth. And things will, makita mo na clearly kung ano yung iniintay mo para you could make that decision, sabi ko nga. And the way to do this, yung Hangman and the High Priestess, this is an energy coming from a Pisces, is by using your intuition. Okay? Ang sinasabi dito, Scorpio, you have this too. Malakas din ang intuition mo. Use your intuition pagdating dito sa tao na to. Na alam mong siya na. Kasi hindi ka mamaliin ito. You know exactly that this is the one. Okay? So, ano pong message for Scorpio? Forgiveness. I acknowledge that harboring resentment blocks the flow of love. Okay, so kung may nangyari before, mga past relationships, forget about it. Love. I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. Yes. Love. Pakita mo yung lahat ng kabutihan meron talaga, no? I mean, it's all about love. And denial. I acknowledge my fear but I replace it with the insight of awareness. So, kung may takot ka, no? I mean, obviously, meron naman tayo, natakot talaga. But sabi ko nga, fear is not true. Fear is just on the mind. Nasa isip lang natin yan. And because you have that fear, you're trying to deny or you're in denial na baka, alam mo, hindi pa siya. What if kumali ka? That's why, you don't deny. Don't deny kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman mo dito sa tao na to. If you have this strong feeling as well, then say it. Show it. Tell it. No? Open your heart. Para maliwanag. Para may love. Okay? Kung ano man yung nangyari sa past, forget about it. Forgiveness is very important for you to move forward. If this is something to do with what you experienced sa past, kaya kung gawa parang you're trying to decide kung gagawin ko ba to or what, kasi sa nangyari before, then forgiveness is the answer. If you know how to forgive and forget, then you can move forward. Okay? Scorpio, I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.